Have you ever wondered whether some Marvel heroes are more powerful than others? I know they all have superpowers, but if they actually went head to head, would one have an advantage over the other? Or would they be so equally matched that they would, quote, fight for all eternity with neither one of them prevailing? Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to test the power of your favorite Marvel hero. Okay, so for this, we need a certain number of cards, and to get them, I think I'll just spell Marvel Card Magic. MarvelCardMagic. Okay, Marvel Card Magic. Okay. Now, what is your favorite Marvel hero? Do you have one? Okay. Well, think about it. Think about who your favorite might be. And while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just spell out Marvel heroes. Now, we're not going to worry about villains in this little series. We're going to focus on the good guys first. So, Marvel heroes. M-A-R-V-E-L, Marvel, H-E-R-O-E-S, Marvel heroes. Okay. Do you have your favorite yet? Who is it? Iron Man? Ooh, that's a good choice. Okay. I-R-O-N-M-A-N, Iron Man. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and find out how powerful your favorite character is. Okay, so I'm going to spell your favorite. So Y-O-U-R-F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Your favorite is, who was it again? Iron Man, wasn't it? Okay, Iron Man. I-R-O-N-M-A-N, Iron Man. I would think that shows that your character is quite powerful. Okay? Though you kind of wonder if his name had one more letter in it, what would happen? Well, let's just find out together. The universe just exploded. The order around us is no more. Oof. So, boy, are we glad that Iron Man isn't called Iron Fist or something else. Now, come to think of it, there actually is a Marvel character that's called Iron Fist. I wonder if he's going to pass this test or not. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so how does it work for Iron Man here? Well, you need the cards listed right there. The piece of paper gives away everything, so if you just follow the instructions there, you cannot go awry. So these cards, so as listed right there, need to be at the top of the deck. From here, you can do any kind of mixing that leaves the top 15 cards alone. I just happen to do this false triple cut. Okay, like that. Believe it or not, all of the portions of the deck have been put back to exactly where they were. This kind of false cut does the same thing. It doesn't change the order of a single card in the deck, but for most spectators, it sure looks like things are being mixed. You could also do a table wash where you put out, packets all over the place like this and kind of wash them, kind of wash the cards a bit. Now, what you have to do is just make sure that this block, see over here, it's almost off the camera, these need to be left where they are, okay? And so what you can do is start to gather them up like this and just make it look like a big fat mess. Okay, and then you come over here and just kind of toss those on, on the top and make it look like you're not too concerned as to where the cards go, but you do have to be a little bit careful. with how they fall. And let me just show you that I believe we haven't ruined the order of the top 15 cards. Okay, so there they are. Those are the ones that we need. Very good. Okay, and then you just go through the steps here. You spell out first Marvel Card Magic. That will give us the top 15 cards. It reverses their order. Then from there you COAT. Now COAT stands for Count Out and Transfers. That means just kind of spell out Marvel Heroes. Okay, and then you COAT, Count Out and Transfer, the spectator's favorite hero, which in this case was Iron Man. And then you COAT the phrase, your favorite, and then you deal face up I-R-O-N, iron, M-A-N. And that will perfectly display the cards in sequential order, ace through 7. And in fact, the card following that one is not in sequential order. Okay? So it appears to the spectator that, boy, if Iron Man had had one more letter in its name, the whole thing would have come crashing down. Well, you have to decide for yourself whether or not that's actually true. But it worked out fine for Iron Man, so Iron Man passed this test with flying colors. So thank you for watching.